Hello everybody, it is Indie Gamer Plus here, back with another playthrough of Limbo. Let's resume. Okay, so back to this. I've been reading some reviews of this game and it's actually gotten really good reviews. I mean, I understand why. I'm kind of addicted to it. It's been so short. Oh god, what the heck? Jump. Oh, there, I saw you jump. Forgot already. Oh, Jesus. Okay, get up, get up, get up, get up. Get up, get up. Oh no, that's... right here. Oh my god. How do I fight it? Oh my god. That's ridiculous. Okay. Maybe that... Oh no, that's the butterfly. Maybe the butterfly? Oh, Jesus Christ. Okay. I mean, there's gotta be something back here. Okay, that's a trap. Maybe... Hold on. That's friggin' awesome. Never seen something like that. Sweet. There's nothing I can drag over. Okay. I'm gonna have to get up there. I don't know how. Double jump? No? Okay. I'm just gonna try this again. No! Ah! Saku! Get at me. Look at it following me around. Okay. Okay, I need to get that trap, I see. Okay, hold on. Hold the phone. Maybe if I get that raft over? No, obviously not. Obviously not. Okay, let's respawn. Okay. Oh, jeez, maybe I need to break one off. Get over here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Yeah. Over here. Come get me. Okay. Oh. The track fell. Don't know how that happened. I'm not complaining though. Okay. Okay, hold on. Jump. Oh, Jesus. Oh god. Okay. Okay. Jump. Now let's push the track. Gonna assume he's gonna have to trick it into putting its tentacle, its spider leg in there. There. Haha. Yeah, that's right. Go away. There. Oh. What? Oh, I have to do each leg. Okay, let's do it again. Jump. Control. Push. Push. Now wait. Go. My god. Okay, let's try it again. Okay, let's go. Oh my. Holy crap, I suck at this game. Ridiculously how bad I am. Okay. Jump. Oh my god. Okay, one more. This is it. I know I can do it. Oh my god. I know. what I can say. I'm just horrible. Jump. Oh my. Why am I not? Holy. Okay. That is my bad, I guess. Okay. Jump. Oh my. Okay. You see what's happening. I don't know what I can do. Let me try pulling it first. Now jump off this higher ground. There. Okay. Now I push this trap over here, and I'm gonna yep. Hit it. Hit the trap. Hit the trap. Hit the trap. Okay. Hit the trap. Hello. I'm over here. Over here. Over here. Over here. Over here. Come on. Oh, so close. Okay. Over here. There. Haha. Okay, so now I'm gonna do it again. Okay. Hello. Hi. Okay. 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 Yep. There we go. Alright. Oh my god. So close. Okay, now let's drag it. I'm sorry for this. This is ridiculous. Jump. There we go. Push. I'll nail it this time. I know. Okay. Come here. Okay, now. There we go. Now next. And oh my god. Jeez, I'm gonna have to start wrapping this up soon. Okay, drag. Stop. Jump. Push. Honestly, I'm gonna get into a routine of this. I don't know if it's supposed to be this hard. I think I'm just challenged. Oh, I might want to tell you guys that I'm not the best gamer. I just enjoy it, if you couldn't tell. Okay, come here, come here, come here. Yep. Good. Now you. Oh no, too early. Oh. Jesus. Hardest puzzle. Hardest puzzle. I can guarantee there's nothing going to be harder than this one. Now, jump. Come on. Okay. Hello. Okay, now. Hi. Yep. Okay, good. Now. Hello. Now. Hi. Come get me. Yep. Good boy. Or girl. Good. Oh my god. I did the exact same thing with 3 times in a row now. Okay. Let's try just jumping over. Oh my god, that's not gonna work either. Okay. Now drop it there. Jump. Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna get this. Oh my god. Why do we see? Now you just get into the rhythm and you just start failing. Okay. So first pull. Stop it there. Jump. Push. Okay. Come here. Good. Now, hold on. Reset. Now, hello. Come here. Come here. Come here. Good boy. Now I'm gonna wait. Ah, it's really far. Come here. Come here. There you go. And that's, oh, it is a spider. Well, that took longer than I thought. So, guess I'm gonna end the video here. Give a like, comment, tell me how I did, everything else. If you really liked it, give it a subscribe, and thanks for watching. I will see you guys later.